Welcome everyone, my name is Duffie, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to save a document as a PDF document, or how to save a document in a PDF format. So PDF, Portable Document Format, I think it stands for, is Adobe's universally readable file format for viewing documents. It's probably the kind of the single most commonly used format for published documents. We publish the college catalog and schedule in PDF. We publish the syllabus for the course in PDF. PDF is one of those formats that if you can get your document into PDF format, you know that somebody with a Mac or maybe running Linux or any computer system, a smartphone, a tablet, they should be able to view a PDF document. So PDF is all about creating something that's universally viewable. So it turns out that creating PDF documents is very straightforward now. It's much easier than it used to be. It used to be that you'd have to have utility software or have Adobe Acrobat software in order to be able to create PDF documents. Now the ability to create PDFs is built into most software. So I have a kind of a silly little document here that has some words and a couple of images in it. And if I go up to File, Save As, and I'm going to go to my C drive here, and I have a folder called Practice, and I want to put something in it. I can save this document, my file, and I can actually select PDF right off of the list. So PDF is now a built-in file format, what we refer to as a native format for a lot of different programs. So we don't have to go through any heroics in order to be able to save a file as PDF. I could just say, PDF, and I click Save, and it would actually save that document into that folder, and then it would bring it up using my PDF viewer, whatever software I have for viewing PDF documents. Now, going back to my document, if you don't have a PDF native support built into your software, and sooner or later you'll run into a situation where you're using some older software and you really want a PDF, and you're going to find that you don't have the ability to save as a PDF document. Then you're going to be up against some heroics. You're going to have to maybe print your document and then scan it in, do a screenshot, turn it into a PDF or something like that. If you find yourself in that situation where you need to be able to save a document as in PDF format, and you don't have native PDF support, I'm going to go through a utility, kind of soup to nuts here. I don't have it currently installed on this computer, but I'd like to have it installed in this computer, so I'm just going to go through the steps, and we'll see. We might run into a few hiccups, but we want to try to be able to save this document as a PDF and pretend like we don't have native PDF support. Maybe I'm using WordPad or some other more generic or basic software that doesn't support PDF. And older software almost universally did not support PDF documents. So if you're running across an older program, this particular technique might be particularly useful. All right, so I'm going to go to Google, and I'm going to search for a program called CutePDF. There's lots of these free PDF utilities. I can't vouch for all of them, but I know that CutePDF works for me, and I've used it before. So I'm going to Google for CutePDF. I'm going to go to the CutePDF website. And I know that what I want to do is I want to get the CutePDF Writer, which is freeware. And I'm simply going to go to the free download. It's downloading here in the corner. Almost done. 3 seconds left. I'm going to go ahead and run the exe. I'm going to go through. I'm going to accept the fine print. They want to change, do some adware here. I'm going to go ahead and decline, desktop weather, let's see, decline. All right, so and that's kind of their value proposition. Since it's free, they're going to try to get you to install some of their partner software, and that's the value proposition. Nothing's really free, So I'm going to go ahead and install. But these are good guys. They're giving you a choice here as to what you want installed or not installed. Must be used with this PS2 PDF converter. Would you like to set the program to download the converter? And so there's a little utility program that goes along with this that has to be installed, and this particular install takes care of installing both of those pieces of software on your computer. And again, this process of downloading this program is something you'd only have to do once. Once you've done that, then it's going to be available to you. Okay, so I think we're actually done. So let's go back to our Word document, and the way we'll know that this is done, and this is really clever, and it takes a little bit of a expands your mind a little bit to understand what we're about to do here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to print, but instead of printing to a printer, I'm going to print to a file. So I'm going to hit print, and the OneNote printer is built in, and I have my HP LaserJet and my Lexmark. And you can see now that there's a new printer that we've just installed called CutePDF, except that I'm not really printing to a printer, I'm printing to a file, I'm printing to a disk. Does that make sense? It's a little bit of a, it's a mind expansion to think that you could print to something that's not actually a printer, but that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to actually print to a file. So when I click to CutePDF Writer, it's going to come up, and now I'm ready to print, and so I'm going to click print. Now just remember, if you do this, next time you actually want to print for real, you got to change your printer back to your HP or your Lexmark. Because that could, you don't want to leave your colleague's computer set to CutePDF and then he or she can't print it, physical documents anymore. But I'm now printing, and now instead of printing to the printer, a file dialog should pop up. He says patiently. Okay, it took a while. I just had to be patient, I think. Yeah, and so it's now asking if we want to save as, and we're going to save as, and it's going to save as a PDF, and we can pick the location. I'm going to pick the same location I did before, which was C: and practice. And this time I'm going to call the document my CutePDF file. My CutePDF. I'll just call it my CutePDF. Document. My CutePDF document 2. And I'm going to save this. Remember, when we saved natively, we saved it as my file, and of course that's the easiest way to save. But now I'm actually saving it using the printer utility, and I should be able to go back to that folder now. Practice, and now I can see my CutePDF document 2, and we can see that we've actually created a PDF document using the CutePDF utility. Okay, so it's going to be the same format as the native saved PDF file, but we were able to do it, and I can do this within any program. So if I'm in, let me just if I'm in, say, Paint, and I do up some image, and now I want to print, I can now print to, not the OneNote, not the Lexmark, but I can print to the CutePDF writer. Or if I'm in even, let's say you're, find yourself stuck without a word processor, heaven forbid, or, you're in, Google, Chrome or something like that. Let's see, accessories, WordPad. I can go File, Print, and again, just come over and you can see that CutePDF Writer is there. So this utility is now available to any program that can print, and just about every program can print. So that means now that every program can now print to PDF that you have. Okay, so hopefully that's useful and helpful. That concludes this tutorial on managing PDF files using Windows. Oh, by the way, one last word. If you're running on a Mac, just good to know, when you do a screenshot in a Mac, by default, it saves the screenshot as a PDF. So that's kind of an interesting fact about the way the OS X handles screenshots.